Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the rear glass for this 63 Impala. Let's just begin. Alright guys, let's just begin. First of all, as you can see, I marked where all the clips are going to be going. These are the clips that you have to get. This is these clips are the ones that hold the trim that goes around the window, the chrome trim. So these I believe there's like 16 clips, and you have to hit them into this flange right here. You got to persuade them to go in. It's kind of hard. So I used a little mallet, rubber mallet, to just get them in there. The kit, it's a little kit that they sell. They come in this little bag. This is for the front window, but it's the same thing. There's 16 of them, and also for this trim that goes here, it's also included on that kit. So the very important thing that you have to actually be aware of is find the center, because one of the trims has a little buckle type thing that if you put a clip right there, you're not going to be able to hook it up. You're going to have to install that side first of the trim, then this side. You install the left side first, then you install the right hand side, but do not put a clip right where that center is. So there's 3 clips on this side, 3 clips on that side, 3 clips going down, and 4 clips on the very bottom. So that's how this is gonna be set. So you see all these tape marks that I have marked. There's a reason for that, because once you install the glass, I'm gonna go to the glass right now to show you how it's done. But once you install the glass and everything's said and done, wherever there's marks, there's tape, that's where you're gonna have to push the trim. Do not push it where there's no tape or anything, where the clip is not there, because you can bend it. So just be aware as to where all the markings are at, and it'll be a lot easier. So let me go to the glass and show you what you need to do on the glass. Right, here we go. Now this is a different style of glass installation method. It doesn't use adhesion, meaning glue, so it uses just friction. You're gonna have to put some nylon rope all around that lip right there, as you can see, all around it. Once you start pulling, once you install the glass and once you start pulling this rope, this lip is gonna open up and it's gonna go into the flange where you install those clips. That's the only way to install these type of glass, guys. I also want to thank Lone Star Lowe's from YouTube. He also has a very in-depth video on how to do it. He gave me a couple of pointers as to how to do this type of installation. So go hit him up, tell him Faraway sent you, subscribe to his channel, guys. He's got a lot of old school Impalas that he's building right now. So Lone Star Lowe's, thank you very much, brother. But let's just go. Let's once you have this ready, you can go ahead, put it on the car, and we'll start installing it. I have placed the glass. It's not installed yet. What you need to look for is that these little clips don't catch the rubber that's all the way around. I placed these little mixing sticks just to lift up the glass a little bit, but everything looks good. Now I can go through the inside and start pulling that rope. I'm gonna need to put pressure. You're gonna need to put pressure on the window so that the rubber seal can go into the flange. Right here, guys, as you can see, I'm pulling on the rope, and that's lifting up that seal, which it's letting it go into that flange. I do have somebody on the outside pressuring the window. Let me move this one so that you can see what it's doing right there. As you can see it, it's lifting up that seal and putting it in. You see? So let me just continue all the way around, then I'll show you how it's came out. Here it is, guys. When everything's said and done, there you can see the lip. The rubber went into that flange, to that lip that was there, all the way around. And here you go. As you can see, I already put this trim. Let me show you the other side as to how I installed it. The left hand side trim has to go in first, then the right hand side. Let me do the right hand side so you can see. But the glass is secured, everything's good to go. This is a little buckle that I was letting you know. That's the one that's supposed to go on top of this. That's why you weren't supposed to put a clip in the middle. So that buckle is going to go in there. Just remember, you're going to be hitting where you put the tape. That's where the clips are at. All right, I couldn't reach the other one. And there you go. Right there, guys. Now, all you gotta do is clean it up. You're good to go. That is how you install the back window of this 63 Impala. And this works for several different models. I believe it's from 1960 to all the way to 64. It has the same style of window, so it works for different style of cars, guys. And there it is. This is how you install the back window of this 63. I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the front. I am gonna show it, but that'll be in a later video. And this is gonna be it, guys. I hope you now know how to install the back window of a 63 Impala or 64, 62, 61. It's almost the same. It's actually the same. So there it is. Thank you very much, guys. Remember to like the video. It helps a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber, and that way we can show you the rest of the Impala. I already installed the lights, so we're getting there. All the chrome is here. So here we go, guys. The assembly is about to begin. Thank you, guys. Like always, stay safe, have a great week, and God bless. Hands deep in the grease, call it auto therapy. Far away spray, got the drip.